Potter's Journal. Today we are here with the Weaver. We just saw a whole collection of her vintage toy and table looms. And this is not really her main art form, but here's some of the stuff that came off of it. And here she is, the Weaver.
Hi. Yeah, I wanted to show you some of the things you can do on a toy loom. And by the way, these were my first projects, were scarves. And look at the length.
It's a mile long off of that little thing.
Yes, and then I started doing a little more, creative things with the yarns.
Some interesting textures and colors.
And then here's another. I think they call these a boa. This was done on the, as the scarf for on the little looms again.
Oh, is that ugly?
Yeah, well.
Oh, you agree?
Well, sort of.
Okay, but I never seen anything like that before.
And then I decided, okay, I wanted to do something else. So I started thinking about little pocket purses because I love them. This is what I wear, is the pocket purse. This is unfinished. And then this was a cell phone bag. Then I made a few with, just handles and got a little more creative.
Okay, little bags and phone pockets and purses.
This is 2 ways of opening and shutting, with a strap or...
Yeah, well, we'll pick this up again here after you get the...
Hello. Hi. Hi, Amy. We're doing a video now, so I can't talk. The lunch is probably 11 to 1.
So little purses and pocket.
Yeah, there's a couple different styles here. And the ones with the straps, and then this one has shorter pull strings to tie it. And then this one I put longer ones on, which is nice too. That can be used as a shoulder strap then. And then I decorated this one with beads.
Oh, I know another Carol in Hawaii who puts beads in her work.
Yeah. Well, that
okay.
Takes.
And there's another one I see on the table.
Yeah, this one is made from one of my larger table looms. And I kind of like it. This is kind of my favorite. When I warp it, I tie the new warp onto the old warp. Now, the old warp was the red, and the new warp was the turquoise. And when I would normally have just cut that off as waste. But I thought, oh, it looked so cute, so I left it.
Isn't that interesting? So that's the kind of thing when I hear you say it, I just shake my head not listening and say, yes, yes, yes. Isn't that interesting? But another weaver would really get something out of that and find that of interest.
I made all those knots. I might
Sounds
as well
like
use them.
one of your better looms. That's not one that's been shown in your toy and table loom collection, is it?
No. I have 2 table looms and...
So you'll have to show that one someday, too.
Yeah, well, here's the work that came off of the 2. So that... And these are... the toy looms only have 2 harnesses. These have... more harnesses, so you can do more work. And this, you can see, is very intricate design.
Yeah, hold that one up for a minute.
Of course, nobody likes this style anymore.
Okay, it's it's something from the past that the world has moved on from.
But you can make other things out of it. This would make a nice purse, in larger size.
Okay, well, it's great to see something from the past and something that really took a lot of work and effort and concentration, I imagine.
And this one actually could have been done with a design, but I chose to just do tabby and put my interest in the weaving material itself. And I've done many. These are runners. These are good for table runners. And
the color combination is nice there. I've noticed someday we'll have to look at your rugs, because I noticed that mostly it's a big exploration of color and texture.
And here's a sample of something. But this is different. if you've watched my video for the tie baskets, this is made with men's neckties, and it's done on a floor loom.
Oh, wow. I've never seen that.
And the ends are not perfect, like everybody says, oh, you have to do it in the end.
Okay.
It's because of the, it's done with something irregular.
Neckties. So you've wove them into baskets, you've wove them into chair seats.
Yes, yes. And now this one's a rug. Or a table. It could be a table decoration, for somebody that didn't want to walk on it.
Okay, well, I'm glad to have a quick look at this since we saw the vintage toy and table loom collection recently. So how many floor looms do you have?
3 floor looms. One I don't really use anymore.
And one you've never found all the worked out the parts.
Oh, that's kind of 4.
So you don't even know how many you have. And what about sewing machines? How many of those things do you have?
Oh, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 working, I believe.
I know you had some recently fixed, didn't you? So maybe we'll take a look at the Fix-It shop. And that is it from the Weaver today. Stop back for more Potter's Journal and occasionally guest artist the Weaver.